So I'm here within the Net2phone app, and in this video we're going to review the option Net2phone provides of making data calls or minute calls. Let's go over into our settings section by clicking on our icon in the lower right hand corner. Net2phone uses data by default for making calls within your Net2phone app, but I'm going to show you how you can turn this off and use minutes instead of data for making calls. Let's just go ahead and turn this toggle off. And then you're going to be prompted letting you know that you're going to be using your mobile plan's minutes to make calls rather than data. So let's go ahead and confirm. And then Net2phone is going to request your cell phone number so they can send you a PIN code. And then go ahead and type in that code. And then your account has been verified. So Net2phone is letting you know that you're now using your plan's minutes rather than data to make calls. Simply click OK, thanks to get back to the settings section. Now this data toggle has been turned off, indicating that your calls are being made through minutes rather than data. Let's go ahead and place a test call by using minutes so you can see how the outbound calling is going to look. You're going to again be prompted, reminding you that you're currently going to be using your plan's minutes rather than your data to make this call. It again gives you the option to use data for calls, so you can simply turn this toggle to on if you decide you'd rather use data. But I'm going to go ahead and use the minutes and confirm, and it's going to ask if I'd like to call. You are going to notice an unknown number that doesn't belong to you above. Do not be alarmed, as this is just a rendezvous number, which allows Net2phone to place a call to another party without having your personal cell phone information appear on your caller's ID. Instead, it will display your Net2phone business number. Let's go ahead and hang up and head back to the settings section. At any time, if you want to turn back on data calling, all you have to do is simply toggle this option back on. And also, if you notice here below, the little minute icon is removed by your avatar, letting you know that you're no longer using your minutes to call. Now that we've toggled our data option back on, let's go ahead and make a call so you can see how this will appear on your Net2phone app. Data is a great option as it can use the Wi-Fi from home and businesses, so it's using an internet connection to place calls. So I'm going to go ahead and go down into my contacts and select the name of the person I'd like to call. I'm going to be calling Net2phone support. And as you see here, the outbound calling for data does not depict a rendezvous number and is going to display the actual contact or number you are trying to dial. And that's the difference between data and minute calling on your Net2phone app. Happy dialing, everyone!